Hi, thank you so much for volunteering for a special third grade tradition, Colonial Crafts Day. As a volunteer that day, you will be assigned to one craft. You will stay in the assigned classroom and help with the craft all morning. Each third grade class with their teacher will move from classroom to classroom, making each of the 6 crafts. You will have a schedule on all the supplies you need on a table in the classroom. Each class will be making the craft for 24 minutes. As students finish their craft, they are to put in their bag that they will be traveling with the craft and then work on the packet that they have in the bag. Please do not allow any students to make more than one craft. We've prepared enough supplies for the 275 third graders participating in each craft. As students finish, that is your opportunity to start to set up materials for the next class that will come to make the craft. With each new class, begin with one volunteer welcoming the students to the craft and reading the history of the craft, which you will find on the table with the supplies. Then, show a sample of the finished product of what they will be making for that session, and then step by step, take the students through the craft. Volunteers should position themselves so that there's a volunteer per group of 5 or 6 students. That way volunteers are close by and ready to help and assist the students in making the craft. The first time teaching the craft will be the hardest. You will have the techniques down to a science by the 6th time. At the end of the morning, after the last class, please look to the sheet that stated end of day directions. Please pack up all the supplies in the box or bin on or under the table and take them to the storage room upstairs. Some crafts have more specific instructions than others. It will all be listed on that paper. Again, thank you so much in advance for your help and support. Third grade Colonial Crafts cannot happen with the help and support of all the volunteers.